Hi friends, welcome to Sugandhi Kitchen. As you all know, we are each time coming up with easy and tasty recipes. Today we are showing you how to prepare simple and tasty Semia Payasam. Let's look at the recipe. In a pan, heat 2 tablespoons of ghee and add chopped cashew and raisins. Fry it till the raisin puffs up. And cashew turns into a golden brown. Now the raisins have been puffed up, keep it aside. In the same pan, add 1 cup of vermicelli. Now let's fry this vermicelli till it becomes golden color. Now add almost 1 cup of milk to it till the semia softens. Now the semia has been cooked. Now let's add 2.5 cup of milk to it. Add 1.5 cup of sugar and cook it till it becomes thicker. Now keep on stirring. Add pinch of salt for better taste. Keep on stirring so that it does not stick onto the vessel. I am adding here powdered cashew and badam. You can add any nuts of your choice. Keep on continuously stirring it. Now add 4 pods of cardamom for an extra flavor. As you can see, it has become thicker. You can add fried cashew and raisins to it. And let's transfer it to a vessel. Garnish it with fried cashew and raisins. Our yummy and delicious Semia Kheer is ready. Thank you for watching.